Although this is a car-related video, I'm starting with Paris Harley Davidson. These folks are extremely nice. Not only do they sell bikes at MSRP, they are just very accommodating. People like Shelbi, who allows for great activities like letting Terri come and show her quilts off to everybody. But the Paris Harley Davidson, they allow us in the car community to gather at their shop to show off our cars, meet, and just have a fantastic time. Now, these clips are from August the 4th. It was the first Friday night for Paris Car Meet. So every first Friday night, there is a car meet here at the Paris Harley Davidson shop. Now, it was really hot, so we met over in as much shade as we could gather. But, you know, it's not just about the cars, it's about the people. And everybody intermingled and had a great time. So let's get into it. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're a Rumble, please follow. I'm starting out here at this point showing you all, well, pretty close to all of the great vehicles that came and were put on display for everybody to enjoy. This was a really great group of cars, super nice people. Everybody, I seriously appreciate coming out on a blistering hot afternoon. I'm serious. This was a super hot August afternoon in Northeast Texas. Hot, hot, hot. Well, so are the cars. These were all fantastic cars and very fun to look at. So let's do something a little different and start watching them come in. Good lordy. often, I believe on these first Friday nights of each month, Paris Harley also has a biker night. It's like a biker appreciation night, and they were really, really fun with great people. On this occasion, I met Terri with that quilt as I walked towards the back. Now, Terri seems like a really good-hearted person, part of the biker car community, and she makes these fantastic quilts that I cherry-picked off of her Facebook page that I thought y'all would really think were cool. So if you like this sort of thing, be sure to look for Terri Jimerson on Facebook and message her if you're interested in this sort of thing. Again, another big thank you to Shelbi at Paris Harley Davidson for helping us get all of this under control and, taken care of and accommodated for. She is great, and thanks to all of y'all who took your wonderful cars out on this blistering hot day to share all that you enjoy about cars with everybody else. You are all wonderful, and hopefully I'll see y'all again on another First Friday night, possibly around 6 p.m. at Paris Harley Davidson, North Paris. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.